Hello, Marco here from Aponix Vertical Barrel. I'm the inventor of the system and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the product, how it looks like, how it works and what the big vision behind it is. What I've basically done with my invention is I took a close look at the two-dimensional horticulture equipment that is used to grow your leafy greens and vegetables, but it's grown outside the city limits because you need a lot of space when you grow 2D, and recreated it as a three-dimensional, commercially usable equipment that is based on Lego pieces and helps you set up grow spaces for urban decentralized growing facilities in a very efficient way. Most urban farms are trying to go vertical by just building rack systems, which introduce lots of challenges. So Aponix likes to provide an alternative shape, which is based on vertical cylinders we call barrels, because it's a little bigger than the usual tower solutions. And they are all movable, height is flexible, the distance between the plant spaces is configurable, and you decide if you use just one or you use multiple of them. The big vision now that once we have such equipment available and we have added all the missing pieces like standard light, standard ventilation, even automation, it will create so much opportunity for urban entrepreneurs that will hook nicely into the UN SDG goals within city limits. Imagine we can hook into waste streams of the urban metabolism, which are now becoming nutrients if we are talking about circular economy. And every edible plant that comes out of such a system, regardless of the growing context, if someone eats it, it's a win, and it does not need to be bought from the long traditional value chain, which uses pesticides and has a lot of waste involved. How cool is that? So let me give you an idea about the status of the Aponix project. So we are still in startup mode. I introduced the prototype in 2016, went to lots of trade shows. It's in large series production here in Germany since 2018, and we are actually shipping it globally in small numbers. That's surprising and really cool. And we established a few strategic partnerships with larger Dutch companies which help us put together the missing pieces and also get into the larger planning of larger facilities. That was really important and will be a big milestone. I hope we will see some Aponix vertical barrels in city projects which are upcoming. And if you'd like to know more, please go to the website. It's aponix.eu. We also have a Facebook page. And thanks for taking the time. You can ask me any questions anytime. Just send an email to hello@aponix.eu. It ends up in my inbox. And thanks for your time and see you out there.